All right, guys, I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1968 Camaro with a 1969 model, small block 350 with aluminum heads. Got a great sounding exhaust. This is a 4-speed car. This is one of my favorite cars. And we're gonna do a little walk around, point out any kind of flaws that I can find. We just got back from a test drive. Car runs and drives great. I want y'all to check that out. I'll put a link to the end of this video. That way you can go straight to that or my website. But what I like to do is point out any kind of flaws so when you get here, you know exactly what you're getting. So we'll start off with the lower front. This bumper's in great condition. It's not all beat up. It's not tarnished. See, there is a few chips around the headlights, headlight bezels. Still in great shape. It's all painted black, so that's an easy fix. Just use some touch up. The stripe here's got a little edge of overspray on it, but still in good shape. The paint job on this is pretty. You look down the side, it's got a good reflective shine to it. We just went on that test drive, so I picked up a little road dirt. Didn't mean to get it dirty, but it's part of driving. Got a nice set of American racing wheels with front disc brakes. They're manual though. Right here at the bottom of the door, you can see where some previous work's been done. Let me wipe anything that's on there off. You can see a couple bubbles. It's just on that corner. Right here in the middle of the door, looks like a little sorry guys, I can't talk today. It's a paint blemish. Let's see if I can get it to pop up. Don't look like it's wanting to do that. There you go, you can see that now. Right in this area. So my mirror wasn't set up correct. Couldn't see out of that at all when we were test driving. Antenna's broke. That's an easy fix. A lot of the trim's in good shape. Stripes look pretty good going down the side of the car. See, a little bit of work's been done in this area too. A lot of orange peel. Trying to make it pick up. See the waviness right there on top? That's the way it is. Right around that door handle. Same lines going on right here. This is stuff you can only see if you get really close to the car. I'm really picking on this car, but I want y'all to know what you're coming to get, so. Because this thing's actually beautiful. I love the color combo. Nice and clean back here. There's no bubbles back here. Rear bumper's in great shape. Let me go ahead and take my tag off of it. The gas gauge does not work on this. I learned that from the test drive. Yeah, a few swirl marks in it. A good buff will get all that out. That could be more perfected. A little bit of work's been done right here in the back. Got a pretty decent set of tires on it. Oxidation popping up there. A little haziness right around the edge of that window. New door handles, it looks like. Bottom of this door's had some work done to it. Most of them have. There's a few bubbles in the same spot on this side as the other. little haziness there, that could be buffed out. And a little bit of haziness here, it could be buffed out. Same with around this edge. You can see where that's been, they've done a little bit of something there. Little paint runs up under the front bumper. All right, let's go ahead and pop this hood. If y'all hold on just a moment, I'll get it up. All right, sorry about that. I said it was a 1969 model small block 350 with aluminum heads. Got chrome pulleys on it, power steering. Electric fans, double electric fans in the front. Exhaust looks great running out of there. The heat does work on this car. They still got the insulation on the hood. Does need to be replaced, but it's working right now. Looks like somebody forgot to put the support bar back in on the passenger side. We do not have that. We'll go straight to the trunk so I don't forget it. It's always the wrong key for me. There we go. I'm gonna look for some leaks. I just washed it off. We had a lot of snow come in. When I say a lot, we didn't have much snow at all. We had a dusting. Trunk looks pretty good, pretty solid. I'm looking for water leaks. Most of the time they'll come down from this back window and drip in this area. Looks pretty dry. There's a little bit of moisture right there in the corner, so it may have had a drip. Could have been from where I washed it. Oops, sorry. The sun's bright today. All right, let's check this interior out and start her up. Door panel's in great shape. It's not all tore up, beat up. The seals around the door still soft. They feel pretty good. See where a little bit of rust has been covered up at one point. Carpet looks like it's been replaced. It's in good shape. Back seat's pretty nice. It's not all tore up. Deck lid looks pretty good. Headliner always back in the corner. Get a little slack. It's a hard area. Rest of the headliner's in great shape. Steering wheel showing some signs of pitting. You can see it around the edges of it. Not too bad. I couldn't get the horn to work. The windshield wipers do work. This seat belt here is missing the cover, but it still works. It's supposed to look like this. Flip it around. Yeah, there it goes. We do have the face to the radio in the office. The heat does work in this car. The tach does work. Make sure we're in neutral here. I tried the horn, I couldn't get it to do nothing. The wipers do come up. Speedometer works as well, and it's showing 78,000 miles. It does have a different engine than what came in it. Engine temperature does work. Most of the time, it's about 30 degrees here right now. it was running at 170. Of course, you do got your switches for your electric fans, and I don't know why they put a switch on the reverse lights, but that turns the reverse lights off and on. I'm not 100% sure on that. Motor's nice and quiet. That aluminum radiator is definitely helping keep things cool. So hood's easy to shut, comes right down, lines up good. All right, guys, well, I appreciate y'all watching. Please check out the test drive video. We take it around the block, have a little fun in it. This is a 4-speed car, so I love driving 4-speed cars around, especially with aluminum headed motors. And Camaros are one of my favorite cars. I appreciate y'all watching. Check out my website, weMainbsite.com. I got 100 detailed pictures of this car and every car on the car lot over there. We got a lot of new cars to get to this week. I got another Camaro I'm gonna do today and a Challenger. If you haven't, please subscribe. I post cars like this every single day. If you want to talk to somebody on the phone, give us a call, 615-822-4444. I appreciate you watching. Thanks again, guys.